Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So our group we choose the reverse parking sensor that apply in automotive system. So our group consists of 4 members, which is me, Ahmad Syakir bin Muhammad Noor, Badrul Imam bin Abdul Rahim, Ismail Fahmi bin Baharudin, and Wan Haikal Daniel bin Wan Halim. So definition for reverse parking sensor. This sensor allow you to reverse our vehicle out of a driveway or parking space with more confidence and makes driving in reverse safer. With the increasing overall dimension of car and shrinking parking spaces, these sensors are gaining rapid popularity. Sensor are proximity sensor which alarm the driver when the vehicle get close to an object. So the component that require in reverse parking sensor, which is we have transmitter. This is component that involves in transmitter, anti-Wi-Fi, IR transmitter, electronic capacitor, and register. So the next component is receiver. Receiver, we have time types of receiver in the sensor.
For explanation of operational system, so the reverse parking sensor design in transmitter section, Wi-Fi timer is operated in a stable mode to generate a signal with frequency of 120 Hz. The 555 timer is connected to supply to avoid sudden reset. The output pulse is produced of 55 timer. Here resistor set the output frequency of 555 timer. The received by the infrared receiver is amplified by the original amplifier. Resistor and peak detector to detect peak of the amplified signal. OP amplifier as comparator. OP amplifier has two input, which is non-eventing and eventing, and one output. The output of the original amplifier is high when non-eventing voltage is greater than eventing voltage. The output voltage is low when eventing voltage is greater than non-eventing voltage. The voltage at non-eventing of comparator act as a reference voltage, and inverting input voltage at comparator are compared with reference voltage to produce the output. Here resistors are used to set different voltage at their non-inverting pin. Resistors are used to protect the LED from high voltage.
Okay, so this is a datasheet for the reverse parking sensor. So at the first column, we can see that there is obstacle vs vehicle, which is the distance. So we can see when the distance is not close, all the LED colors is turned off, which is green, yellow, and red LED is not turned on. So there is no reference voltage for this distance. So when we come to close, which is obstacle and vehicle become more close. So the green color for the LED is turned on, which give reference voltage is 2.0 volt, and the distance is about maybe 50 cm. And when the distance is about 10 cm, we can see that the yellow color for the LED is turned on, and the reference voltage increasing to 4.0 volt. So if we go more closer, the LED for the red will turn on, and the reference voltage will turn to 6, and the distance may be about 5 cm. So And if the obstacle with the vehicle is touching, so the car is damaged, and the distance, of course, will be zero because it's already touched.
Okay, this is a block diagram for the reverse sensor. Nice. Okay, LM324 is the low power quad amplifier, which is a dual low noise operation amplifier which has 2 ohm amplifier in a single chip. This is a general purpose amplifier which can be configured in many modes like comparator, summer, integrator, amplifier, differentiator, inverting mode, non-inverting mode, and many more. To design the car reverse sensor, an IR transmitter receiver pair at the rear side of the car. IR transmitter transmit infrared signal or rays into the environment continuously. When this transmitted IR rays reflect back to IR receiver after striking on an object or obstacle, some voltage difference generate across this IR receiver LED. So it will generate voltage different depending upon the flow of IR rays that are reflected back to the receiver. More power signal lead to move voltage difference. This voltage difference is used in our project to measure the distance. More voltage difference indicate the laser distance from the object. We have shown distance from the obstacle by using 3 LEDs, meaning that the LEDs are explained in working of this project. That's all. Thank you.